Majah Hype didn't hold back. He says while MC Nuffy might be known locally, his name travels worldwide. Like, subscribe on Sonic Snap.
People might know you're in Jamaica and in a Portmore or wherever the blood clot you're there. In a Jamaica. But my name is a worldwide name. Learn from that, pussy wall. Learn from that. Yeah? And me get book. And me them put in a first class. Remember when Cartel get book, you know? You then like back at the bomber clad plane and smell shit and piss round there, you know? What you tell me, say dog? We really are trying to do. Eh? You call up other comedian name with me. Brother, no man can size up with me. No man. You are a +1. You know a name in the world, brother. Who is blood clot Nuffy? Who size up himself with a star like me? Brother, me travel the world off of my name, my credit, my work. When me do. Oh, the blood clot.